What website or app doesn't exist, but you really wish it did? I wish there was an app that could translate emotions into words. So when you are not sure how you feel, it could help you express it clearly. What takes a lot of time but is totally worth it? Building strong relationships, whether with friends, family, or coworkers. It takes effort, but the connection you get in turn is priceless. If you could start a charity, what would it be for? I'd start a charity to support mental health awareness in schools. I think it's something many young people struggle with, and they don't always know where to turn. What incredibly common thing have you never done? I've never tried sushi. It's so popular, but I've just never had the chance. And to be honest, I'm a bit nervous about raw fish. What has taken you the longest to get good or decent at? Playing the piano. It took me years of practice to play without thinking too much, but now I love it. It's my way to relax. What was the funniest thing you've seen recently online? There was this dog trying to copy its owner doing yoga. It looked so serious, but it couldn't stop falling over. I laughed so hard. What is the most amazing fact you know? Bananas are actually berries, but strawberries aren't. I found that out recently and it completely blew my mind. What food do you love that a lot of people might find a little odd? I love putting ketchup on pasta. Some people think it's strange, but I like it. What are some of your favorite games to play? I love strategy games like chess, but I also enjoy fast-paced mobile games when I just want to switch off for a bit. What's the best thing you've got going on in your life at the moment? Right now, I'm really enjoying my new job. It's challenging, but also very rewarding. I finally feel like I'm doing something meaningful. Thank you for watching. Comment what you liked in this video. Please like, share with your friends, and subscribe for more. Bye. See you soon.